Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the Don't Close Brave browser when you close the last tab feature. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm opening the Brave browser on my computer. Once the browser window is up and running, I'm directing my attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, I can see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. I'm clicking on that now to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, I'm selecting Settings to access all the browser configuration options. This is where I can customize how Brave behaves and adjust different features to suit my preferences. After clicking Settings, a new page opens up showing me all the different settings categories. On the left side of this page, there's a vertical panel with several options listed. I'm looking through this left panel now and clicking on System. This section specifically controls how the browser interacts with your operating system and manages various system-level behaviors. It's an important area because it determines things like startup behavior, hardware acceleration, and in this case, how the browser handles closing tabs. Once I'm in the system settings, I'm scanning through the options displayed on the right side of the screen. I'm looking for a specific setting that controls what happens when I close my last open tab. Right here, I can see the option that says Close Window when closing last tab. This setting determines whether the entire browser window shuts down when you close your final tab or if it stays open. By default, Brave might have this enabled, which means closing your last tab will exit the browser completely. Right beside this text, there's a toggle switch. Currently, it might be turned on, which is causing the browser to close when you shut that last tab. To change this behavior and keep the browser window open even after closing all tabs, I'm clicking on this toggle to turn it off. Once I disable this, the browser will remain open with a blank page or new tab page instead of closing entirely when I close the last tab. This is particularly useful if you frequently close tabs but want to keep the browser running in the background. And that's it. You've now configured Brave to stay open even when you close your last tab, giving you more control over how the browser behaves. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.